Hi, this is Fizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to see blocked list channel on Instagram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! When you block someone from the Instagram app, it will block their account, other existing accounts they may have, or any new accounts they may create. If you choose to block someone's account and other existing accounts they may have or create, this will not apply to other account of theirs that you already follow. You'll need to block those accounts individually. And if you want to see the blocked list on your account, you can tap on your profile and then tap on the three lines on the up right corner over here. Tap on settings and privacy. You can scroll down. There's an option blocked. Tap on that. So here's the accounts that you block from your account. You can unblock them by tap on the unblock option and tap on unblock. So that account will disappear from the blocked list. So that is how to see block list on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!